要 is the most difficult modal verb because it has so many meanings. In this paragraph, each 要 has a different meaning and it can be exchanged into a different word. 我要学汉语，我找了一个汉语学校。开车去学校要2个小时。老师要我们上课不要迟到，每天要做作业，学校每个月都要考试，一定要参加。In today's lesson, we will look at the 8 meanings of 要 and compare 要 and these words. It's almost everything about 要. Number 1, ask somebody to do something, same as 叫。妈妈要你回家吃饭，妈妈没要你帮助姐姐。爸爸要他去买鸡蛋了吗？他要没要我帮他买书？要 and 叫 have the same meaning. They are interchangeable here. Number 2, demand, ask for something.
老板娘，我还有麻酱面。
我要一碗麻酱面。麻酱面 means sesame sauce noodle. 要 is very commonly used when we want to order some food in restaurants. "我要一杯水，谢谢。他要米饭吗？他不要米饭，他要一碗面。你要不要水果？要。We can put 想 in front of 要 They exactly mean the same thing. 你想要什么新年礼物？我想要一台电脑。想 is a modal verb and 要 is a verb here. Modal verb should be followed by a verb. A verb should be followed by a noun. Number 3, want, 想。This might be the most confusing pair. Both 要 and 想 are modal verbs here. Whether 想 have other meanings? Yes. 我想你 miss. 我在想这个字怎么读 figure out. 我想他不会去的 think. In these sentences, 想 is a verb, not a modal verb. Back to 想 and 要. What's the difference between them? 3 differences. Rule number 1. 想 express one's desire or hope. 要 express one's will or determination. 要 shows stronger intention than 想. I have an idea now. I want to travel. 我想去旅游。What should I do then? Save money, make a travel plan, book a hotel and a flight, and ask for a leave to my boss. And he may ask me the reason. I say, 我要去旅游。我想学英语和汉语。我觉得中国女孩很漂亮，所以我要学汉语。这2本书我都想看。我女朋友喜欢它，所以我要看这本书。
I'm Harry Potter.
Rule number 2. We can put the adverb of degree in front of 想, but they cannot be placed in front of 要。我非常想和你吃饭。非常 is an adverb of degree, which helps us describe how much the desire is. What kind of adverbs can express degree? 不太、很、非常、多 or 多么、特别、真、太、最。我非常想和你吃饭，但是明天有考试，我很要回去看书。Adverb of degree cannot be placed in front of 要。我很想开车回家，但是我喝酒了，所以我要坐出租车回家。 Rule number 3. As a modal verb, a negative form 不要 doesn't mean don't want to, so we should use 不想 instead to make the full sentences. 他不想喝水 But 不要 can answer questions by itself. 你要不要喝牛奶？不要。你要看电影吗？不要。If the negative form 不要 doesn't mean don't want to, then what does it mean? It means don't, expressing the restriction on others, same as 别。不要看电视了。不要睡觉了。不要玩电脑了。There are no differences between 不要 and 别. They are same. Number 5. 要 is easily confused with 会. They both can talk about future. 会 indicates an uncertain possibility. We can translate it into will. 要 indicates something is going to happen. We can translate it into be going to. 要 is more highly chance to happen. 报纸上说明天会下雨的。天黑了，要下雨了。他很喜欢汉语，他会去上汉语课的。7点了，他要去上汉语课了。他今天很不开心，明天会走的。他买了火车票，明天要走了。Questions and negative sentences. 他明天要不要来了？要不要 doesn't make sense here. We should correct it into 他明天是不是要来了？他明天不要来了。As I mentioned before, as a modal verb, 不要 means 别 don't. Then what shall we say? We use 会 instead. 他明天不会来的。Number 6. Need. Same as 需要。从这里回家要2个小时。我很累，要休息。我不累，不用休息。Again, 不要 means don't, 别。We should use 不用 or 不需要 instead. 我们要不要买水？我们要买水吗？ Last two. Should, same as 应该 and 应该要。Must, 一定要 same as 必须必须要。We put 一定 ahead to show determination or compulsory. In Xiaoming's family, his mother is always much stricter than his father. So father says, 你每天要7点起床。Mother says, 你每天一定要7点起床。吃饭前要洗手。吃饭前一定要洗手。Questions and negative sentences. Mini test. Leave your answer in the comments below. And I have another video here. It's a story of 我要学汉语. In this video, you can review what we learned today. Thank you so much for watching. 再见。